Good morning students. So today we discuss the application of route stability criteria with the help of an example. ठीक है, तो the example is given by like this. The statement is the open loop transfer function of unity feedback system is k by s into 1 plus 0.4 s into 1 plus 0.25 s. ठीक है, तो एंड फाइंड द रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ k so that the closed loop system is absolutely stable. ठीक है, तो हमें बताना कि सिस्टम हमारा कब एब्सोल्युटली स्टेबल होगा, मीन्स हमें k की रेंज फाइंड आउट करनी है कि वो किस रेंज के बीच में हमारा स्टेबल होगा सिस्टम. तो कैसे करेंगे ये, तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या है, गिवन है दिस मीन्स दिस इज अवर GS. ठीक है, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन दिस इज यूनिटी फीडबैक सिस्टम मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ HS इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या निकालना है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन सबसे पहले फाइंड आउट करनी होगी. तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन अपनी क्या है, 1 प्लस GS इंटू HS इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, तो GS की वैल्यू हमें पता है, HS की वैल्यू पता है, इसमें पुट करेंगे, LCM लेंगे और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट कर देंगे. जब हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे इसकी, तो वो हमारी आएगी s इंटू 1 प्लस 0.4 s इंटू 1 प्लस 0.25 s प्लस k is equal to 0. This is our characteristic equation, and when we multiply this equation to each other, then we find s cube plus 6.5 s square plus 10s plus 10k is equal to 0. This is our characteristic equation. Now we apply the Route's criteria on this equation, and this is s cube, s square, s and s. ठीक है, then we arrange the coefficients of s in two rows, 1 6.5 10 10k. ठीक है, these are our coefficients. Now we find the value of this. You know that how we find the value of this. This is minus 1 by 6.5 1 6.5 10 10k. ठीक है, we find this, and this is 65 minus 10k by 6.5. When we find out this value, this becomes 0, because minus 1 by 6.5 6.5 0 0. When we cross multiply and find the determinants of this, then here comes 0. ठीक है, next we find out this value, and this value is minus 1 by this means minus 6.5 by 65 minus 10k 6.5 and 65 minus 10k by 6.5 10k 0. ठीक है, when we find this with the help of determinant, then here comes 10k. ठीक है, now we write down the statement for absolute stability there should be no sign change in the first column, and here we see there is no sign change in the first column. ठीक है, that is no root of the characteristic equation should lie in right half of S plane. This is possible only when k is greater than 0 and 65 minus 10k is greater than 0. ठीक है. Hence for closed loop stability k is lie between 0 to 6.5. So that's the range of k where system is absolutely stable. ठीक है. I hope you understand what is the concept of absolute stability and how we find out the range of k for which the system is absolute stable. ठीक है. Next topic we discuss in